I am back with the cat, and now the cat is licking itself. Yeah, I'm gonna do cool stuff with the kitty cat. First, just watch the cat lick itself. Second, I got a hand, dude. Hey, Baba, come here. Hey, Baba. Can you stand up on the end of the bed and dance for us? Go, do this. Cool, but don't jump me the kitty cat or the kitty cat will get hurt. Dance. Dance with baby, I know you can. Come in and you can dance, I know you can. See ya! Oh my god! Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty.